Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Govee Neon Rope Lights for wall lining and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these lights are not connecting to your network or they're not syncing or pairing with the app or not responding, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now if you want to get some new lights, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to some good lights at a good price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if, for whatever reason you want to set these up on a new network, you can just clear everything out and just get a fresh start on them. All we need to do is, we want to have power to it, but we're going to come in on the power button and we're going to turn them off. And then once we turn it off, we're going to press and hold the power button, and then once we're pressing and holding the power button, we're going to come to the middle button and tap it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then once we go to the 4, we're going to let go of the power button at the same time, more or less, and then you'll see it'll do a bunch of blinky dinky stuff and it will reset to its factory default settings, and then you can set it up like new.